let's say your first term.
Yes.
What do you hope for Haiti in those 5 years?
But today, I'm working hard to be close with the parliament, because no way a president can work without deputies, without senators. It's really important for me today to get those people. You are 48, and when you got the past president like your close friend, it's really good for you to get this experience. But I will work with him to see what is the mistake he was made and what is the success he was made also, to put them together. Like I told on my campaign, I will continue. I will make a lot of correction, and I will improve also. But I will work close with him, because